Okay, in this problem, all you have to do is distribute first. So 5 times 2x gets you 10x. 5 times 6 gets you a positive 30, equals 8x plus 48. Now I personally like to move the variable to the left first. You have to minus 8x. Biggest mistake I saw, students did not put that x next to the 8. To undo a positive 8x, you have to take away 8x. So then we have 2x plus 30 equals 48. Now we have a two-step. We take away 30. We have 2x equals 18, and then divide by 2. Notice that my work, whatever I do to one side, I do to another. I divide. I need to see that symmetrical work. So then x equals 9. All right, for number 6, same idea, distribute, but now it's a negative sign. Be careful. That's really a negative 24, and then that's a really minus 9h. Nothing to the right-hand side. Minus 5h on both sides. Be careful that the negative 9h is kind of on the inside, so make sure that you line up the minus 5h. Now, please make sure that you're using some type of calculator if you're not very good with negative integers. Negative 14h. Drop down that minus 24 equals 4. So now we have to undo minusing by adding. So we're going to add 24 on both sides. And we are left with negative 14h equals 28. Another common mistake that I see, students leave off the negative when dividing. You're taking that whole number. So it's negative 14, so I have to divide by negative 14. So then I get h equals negative 2. Now the whole point of assigning you on Envision is so you could actually type in your answer and check right away. So hey, guess what? I got it right. That's awesome. If you didn't get it correct, that's where you have to be self-motivated and want to see where you made your mistake. Maybe it was that you divided by 14 in that negative 14. So just be careful. Take your time with these problems. I did not give you a lot. All right, number 7. Now we have 2 parentheses. You can take care of both parentheses in the same step. That's okay. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Draw your equal sign. That 3 only goes with the y, so then it's 3y. And then it only goes with the negative 4, so that's minus 12. This negative y is not affected, so be careful. At this point, you can combine like terms. We have 3y minus y, so we're really minusing 2y. I'm sorry, 3y minus y is just 2y. Now at this point, if you can tell, the equations are the same on both sides, so something is going to happen. We're going to minus 2y on both sides. Notice on the left and right, the y's are gone, and we are just left with a true statement. So some of you are thinking that a true statement is the actual answer. It's not. The true statement, when the variables go away and you're left with the number equaling itself, it's actually infinitely many solutions. That is the answer. So the equation is an identity. So it's true for all y's. Same thing. It's an identity because it's the same equation on the left as on the right. Same number on the left as on the right. So that means it works for every single variable, every number you put into that variable. Now, lastly, we have 8x minus 4. You have to multiply. So 2 times 4x gets us 8x. We don't have to do anything to the left because there is no distribution. 2 times negative 4 is minus 8. So minus 8x. Please do not forget that x. That goes away. Now we're left with negative 4 equals negative 8, which is a false statement. Negative 4 can never equal negative 8. Negative 8 can never equal negative 4. It has to be the same number on both sides. So that's when the answer is no solution. That means no matter what number you can think of and plug it into the x, there will be no answer. No x that will work. So this equation has no solution. So that is the actual answer. All right. If you have any questions, make sure you email me. Thanks, everybody.